My name is Ankit and let's discuss something about fashion and modeling and how you can come up with different types of idea, how you can grow in this field and how you can make yourself marketed and get some paid clients to work with and earn something from home. So there are a lot of things which you can do as a model, or you can become a model, what type of modeling area you should work at. There are a lot of different type of things you should know first before choosing the field of modeling, because it's not just a small world, or it's not just a small word called model. This is a very big world behind this modeling field. Okay, so the first question everybody asks me is who is a model, और modeling क्या है और model करते क्या हैं, what is modeling and all this kind of stuff. So I want to tell everyone first of all that a model is a person whose role is to either display a product or promote a product or do advertisement commercials. Okay, they actually serve a visual ad to a product or to a photographer, and they pose for this. So this is the mainly the kind of work they do, either through ramp walks or through product promotion or through posing or through kind of acting. Okay, these are the major area in which a model work basically. So the person who do all this kind of a work can say themselves as a model. So once you understand, once you understand what is modeling, okay, you have to understand what type of model you can be. Okay, see, there is nothing called, many times we say also कि height नहीं है. Okay, so it's particularly for some kind of a modeling area we say that. It's not that you cannot be a model. Okay, first you have to understand which area of modeling is made for you. So there are more than 10 to 15 types of modeling, around 10, 14, 13, 14 types of modeling area.
1 minute ka, sorry.
In which you can go. Okay, so you have to first understand what kind of model you can be, and then basis on that you have to choose the field of modeling. So now you have understood that you have to choose the type of modeling. So before choosing the type of modeling, okay, you have to understand the basic kind of a learning which each and every type of model has to do. This is the basic type of thing which everybody learn and then choose the field of modeling. So there are many kind of things which we say. So I'll just tell you accordingly and the kind of a training what model do and what all things they have to follow. So there are rules, there are kind of a posture, there kind of a body they have to maintain. Okay, see, whatever you are, if you are dark, if you are fat, if you have a short height, if you have a tall height, you are very slim, very thin, very fat, okay, you don't have a good hair, if you have a curly hair, okay, whatever type of body shape you have, you can always be a model. But before planning to do modeling, understand the suitable modeling area where you can try what kind of a model you can be. It's the simple word. You have to know what type of model you are.